Maybe you're looking for a sensor that you don't have, but you have another one that does the same job, and we'll explain which one it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger, and if you're trying to find where your MAF sensor is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. If you don't have one, we'll explain what sensors the engine computer uses instead of a MAF sensor as well. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure you stand till the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on that dot charger. We'll have even more. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, absolutely free. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your dot charger or any car, you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, you want to save money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and we'll share where you can find even additional things. So what we have specifically here, 2018 Dodge, guys, and this is the 3.6 engine, quite common on dot chargers. Now let me show you. We're going to talk about that MAF sensor, and if you don't have it, what do you need to check instead? This is your air filter box. You can see that's the air filter box right here. Usually the MAF sensor is located somewhere past the air filter box on the intake hose, before the intake hose. It should be anywhere before the throttle body. But as you can see, this one specifically does not have MAF sensor. MAF sensor is known as mass airflow sensor, and often it consists of how much two sensors. One is detects how much air the engine is getting, and the other one the temperature of the air as well. But this one doesn't have that one. For some markets you may have a dot charger with MAF sensor, depends on where your dot charger is built and all that stuff as well. So if we remove the upper engine cover, we want to show you something here, guys. Instead of a MAF sensor, you have two more sensors that do the same job. One of them, if you follow the intake hose, it comes to that sensor right here. This is known as intake temperature sensor. Intake air temperature sensor. The purpose of that sensor, you can see it's right before the throttle body. That intake air temperature sensor detects how warm the air is. It sends that information to the engine computer, okay, right there, and later, okay, it will use one more sensor, which is known as a MAP sensor, manifold absolute pressure sensor, this one here, and this sensor detects the vacuum in the intake manifold. And if you think about it, using the vacuum, how much vacuum you have, and knowing the air temperature, the engine computer will be able to calculate exactly how much air the engine is getting. That way it can deliver a certain amount of fuel as well. So if you don't have a MAF sensor, don't freak out. You need to check the other two sensors, okay, that correspond for that specific purpose. Now, if you want to see how to replace intake air temperature sensor and MAP sensor, MAP sensor, we have the video that will teach you how to do that. If you do it the wrong way, you can damage actually the intake manifold, and that intake manifold will need to be replaced. That's another a few $100 that you just wasted, guys. So check out the video, it will teach you how to do that step by step, not very complicated. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find this problem. If you have any more questions, let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.